Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. My name is Sonia and this is Nunez Crafty Life. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to upload images you find on the internet to Cricut Design Space. Also, if you're new to the Cricut world, make sure you check out some of my other beginner videos, which I'll link down below. So the first thing you need to do is open up Google or your preferred internet browser and find the image you want to upload. For this example, I'll be using the Chanel logo. So I just typed in Chanel logo into Google and clicked on images. And here are all the search results. And just a quick disclaimer, remember copyrighted images are for personal use only, meaning you cannot use these images to make items to sell. So ideally you want to find an image that will be easy to work with, like this one here. It's a clear image and it should work nicely in Design Space because there isn't too many fine details. Once you find a good picture, you need to save it to your computer, and there are a couple of ways to do this. So the first option is to right-click on the image and select Save Image As, and a box will pop up where you can type in a name for it and then hit Save. Or another option is to take a screenshot of the image by pressing Shift-Command-4 on your Mac keyboard and clipping the image just like so. If you're using Windows, then you can use the snipping tool and do the same thing. The clipped image will be saved to your desktop. So now we can open up Cricut Design Space. Then click on Upload, which is right here. And then click on Upload Image. Then select Browse and find your image. Select it and click Open. Then this screen will open up, and here you will select the type of image you are uploading. In this case, I'll select Simple because this image only has two colors. If your image is more complex, then you can select Moderately Complex or Complex. So now click Continue and it will bring you to this screen where you will clean up the image. If you have Cricut Access, then you have this automatic background remover. But if you don't have the membership, don't worry. You can remove the background manually by using the tools down here. So click on Select. And now click on everything you want to remove. And you can also zoom in to make sure you get rid of everything in the background. If your image has text, make sure you remove the centers of the letters. You can also use the Erase tool. And up here, you can see a preview of your image. Make sure everything you don't want is deleted. And also down here is the Restore tool. So let's say you accidentally deleted a piece you did want. This will bring it back. And this back arrow up here will undo the last action. Once you're done, click on Apply and Continue. And now on this screen, you have the option of saving this as a cut image or a print then cut image. I'm going to save this as a cut image. And up here, you can change the name of it and add tags so that you can easily find it in Design Space. And then click on Upload And now add it to your canvas by selecting it and then click on Add to Canvas. And here it is. Now from here you can resize it or do whatever you need to do for your project. Also, let's say there's a part of your image you want to hide. For example, let's say I don't want the text. Then I can click on Contour down here and click on all the text to hide it, just like so. Lastly, to easily find your uploaded images, you can click on Upload, and there you will find all the images you have uploaded. Or you can click on Images up here and type in the name that you gave it into the search bar, and it will bring it up. And that is all for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and of course, I would love it if you subscribed. Thanks for watching.